Hey everyone, Dave Schramm here of ShrammGuitars.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how I radius the back of the sides that I just glued the linings on, how I radius them. Let's go check it out. Okay, so in the last video you saw me glue these linings on. Now I've already scraped and sanded that, and I'll do a little bit more on there, clean it up a little bit more. I need some steel wool, make it nice and smooth. But you see this blue mark. What I did is I took a blue Sharpie and I blued the top edge of all of this and of the foot here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my radius dish board and I'm going to run it on there until all that blue is gone. Here is my radius sanding dish. It's, I believe this one is a 15-foot radius. I've been using this one for about 30 years. And then there's some others that I've made, but that was, again, 30 years ago, still in use. You can buy these nowadays, so you don't have to make them. So I've got this, I think this might be 80 or 60 grit sandpaper that's glued on here. So I'm going to flip this around and run it on the top of the, it's actually the back, but it's the top in the form. Okay, so I'm going to take my radius dish. And I'm just sanding the blue parts away. I'll check to see what's getting hit and what's not. Now you can see this part here is getting sanded away pretty quickly. So what I'm going to do is take my block plane and knock these down here. That speeds everything up. See, a lot more is getting stuff. It's got quite a bit there. This is starting to get hit. That one. And there. Just about got it. So I got some blue here and here. So I need to knock this down a little bit. Almost there. There we go. That's pretty close. That's pretty faint. I can see that it's all sanded there. So now I just gotta brace the top and back, fit it on, and glue the top and back on. So that's how I radius it. Take a look at the linings there. So I usually use poplar for the top one. This is ash, I think, here for that. It really doesn't matter. I've done both. My favorite is actually beech. Beech works really good. It's my favorite. And sometimes I'll use that. So now this tongue part here is going to go underneath the fretboard on the guitar. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to route a 1/4 inch slot here. And that's going to be for the mortise and tenon spline that I use to attach my necks. So that's going to be my next step on this one. All right, so I have the end block or heel block all set up to be routed for the 1/4 inch slot. I've got it centered there. Now I'm going to put this in my jig, and I'm going to cut a 1/4 inch wide by 1/2 inch depth slot for the tenon. So here's the jig that you've seen me use in previous videos for making the mortise and tenon slots. So the body is now clamped in here, and I'm going to take my plunge router and plunge using a 1/2 inch bit and a 1/2 inch outer diameter bushing that'll fit in here to cut that slot. And now we have the slot for the neck mortise and tenon. I'm now at the tail end of the guitar, and I'm going to create a 3/8 inch wide inlay here from this offcut from the sides being bent, and it's going to give the illusion of this all being one piece. It'll be framed with some maple purfling. So now I'm now going to cut this 3/8 inch wide slot by hand. All right, so there we go. I've got it fitted in there. Matching the grain pretty good. It's pretty close. Not 100% perfect, but it'll still look really nice. Now I'm just going to use some super glue and glue that in. All right, let's take a look at it. It's all glued in now. And it's matching the grain pretty good. It's not 100% exact. It's sometimes with how those offcuts are, you can't always do it, but it's close enough so it'll look pretty cool. All right, so these sides are ready to have the back and top glued on. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on this segment of this guitar build, and just thought I'd show you this bandsaw behind me. Is one of two that I have that belong to Jose Uribe. I bought them from him about 27, 28 years ago. I've built over 400 guitars with those. Thanks, Jose. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.